Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a beautiful full lace wig. So if you guys want to see what I think about this wig, and you know, I might style it up a little bit, make sure to keep watching. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing a wig from I looked all over YouTube. No one knows how to say this. So I'm gonna say Aimoonsa. Yeah? Okay, this is gonna be the day. So today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful full lace wig. Now, as you guys know, I like to get into what's inside the box first before we get to the hair. So inside this box, you will find a pair of lashes. Hold on, there we go. You'll find a pair of lashes. You'll find a band, an elastic band to put in the back of your wig. And you will find some wig caps. Now, as I do love my melanin, these are a bit too dark for me. But, you know, thank y'all for the free wig caps. So yeah, that's what comes inside the box. Now I will say, because y'all know I like to critique these lashes they be trying to give us, because they be good for giving some cool lashes when you buy hair. But y'all, these cute. I'd actually wear these. So good job, y'all. Good job. Now let's get in to this hair. Okay. So guys, here we go. Ooh, she can't even fit all the way in the camera, hunty. But yes, I believe she's 22 inches. Make sure to check the description box below. Y'all know y'all gotta double check me, child. But yeah, so she's just a beautiful full lace wig. Now I want you guys to see how thick it is in the front, but not too thick. Like, I can't describe it. Some wigs I get, they're so thin that I don't even really want to wear them. But this one has like a lot of density to it. This wig is really thick, really full. I'm really excited to wear this. When you get the wig, you will see that it's going to come with 4 clips on the inside, as well as the adjustable band at the bottom. And the hair does come in a natural dark, you know, brownish color. It doesn't have a smell at all. Ooh, shout out to y'all for that, because I hate when hair smells like somebody's toes. Like, I want no toes on my head. No. So, you know, the fact that this smells wonderful, I'm feeling it. Now let's look at these ends. Hold on, y'all. All right. So these are the ends of the wig. I like how the wig stays thick all the way down. You don't get those little stringy pieces. You know how sometimes wigs get so thin at the bottom that you gotta probably cut it off. Well, no, this wig is thick all the way down. Like, can't get nothing better for this price. So you guys know that I like to let the inches do the talking. I'm gonna go ahead on and measure this wig to make sure they gave us all of our inches, sis, because we hate when companies skip us, don't we? When you order a 22 inch, but it comes 21 inch. No, we don't have time for that. I paid for 22. So, just go to the bottom of your wig. Place the top of the tape measure at, you know, the top of the hairline there. And pull. Take a section. There we go. Pull. Look at that, y'all. It's a little past 23 inches. Let me make sure I ordered this in 24 inches. Well, like I said, check the description box. This wig measures out to like basically 24 inches. Like, so yeah, we definitely get our length with this. Super excited. Now, I've been trying to decide if I'm going to do a tutorial on this or just a review, but it's so pretty that I'm ready to just throw it on. So, without further ado, sis, let's go. Okay guys, so I changed my lip color because that purple was not doing it for me. But I finally finished the wig. Yay! So I did go on just because this wig is glueless, so why not, you know, do a cute little braid. Okay, and then I just did some crinkles inside this unit. Really cute, really fun and simple, but you know I'm gonna go ahead and put it on for you. Okay guys, don't forget I did put elastic band on this, so I can really just like tap this on my head. You guys watch me make and train these baby hairs. So I don't even need any product. I just need to go ahead on and just lay them down how I want them to look. Those are fine, can't see those. But yeah, this is the style that we ended up with. As you can see, of course, I have my cute little braid right there because this is, like I said, a full lace unit, so you can have fun. You can do half up, half down. You can do a ponytail. You can do really whatever you want to do with this unit, but I just want to show you guys just a cute little fun style. You know, I love me some good crinkles, you know, some natural looking baby hairs and a little braid just to be a little festive. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big old thumbs up. And remember to come back, girl. We got wig reviews and try on hauls every week. So make sure to tell your friends to come watch my videos so we could be friends. Y'all know how it go. But yeah, really love this wig. If you want me to do a video on how I got these amazing little crinkles and how I get them to stay, because a lot of times people hair fall. No shade, no tea, sis, but you know. Put in the comments down below if you want to see me do a tutorial on how I did achieve this look with the waves and the little braid and whatnot. But yeah, so I guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
She got ice on the feet, ice on the floor, ice drip from the walk when she hit the door. Got ice on the feet, ice on the floor, ice hit the drip from the new walk when she on the. Yeah, now I walk with it, not sweat, now I walk with it. It's a life with Lauren Ashley. It's the life with